Let's talk about all new project, that is clap controlled LED using sound sensor. So this is our sound sensor, and when we clap the double clap, the LED will be turned on, and on a single clap, the LED will be turned off automatically. Okay. The question is that how do we connect? So this is analog output that should be connected to D4, and the ground should be connected to ground, and plus should be connected to the 3.3 volt. In case of LED, the anode should be connected to the D12, and the cathode should be connected to ground. So this is how our connection should be there, and you don't need any external library, and baud rate can be 115200 to execute this program. Okay. So these are the pin and their. So LED pin anode should be connected to the D12, and cathode should be connected to the ground, and plus VCC should be connected to the 3.3 volt. Ground should be ground, and out pin should be connected to the D4 pin. Okay. Now let's go to the Arduino and let's see how it works. So this is our program. Let me copy the program first, and let me upload this program into our microcontroller ESP32 using the Arduino IDE program software. Okay, so I pasted the program, and program is still uploading in the microcontroller. Okay, it will take a few minutes to upload the program. So let's wait for the same. Okay, so the program is uploaded over here, and in serial monitor we can able to see what's going on. Okay, let me do a double click, double clap. Okay, so LED will be turned on. Okay, so here you can see that after the two clap, the LED is turned on, and in a single clap, LED will be turned off. Okay, it is showing over here. So let me show you the physical topology, how it works, and the program can be available in description. Okay, everyone. So this is our sound sensor, and it is connected to the microcontroller, and this is our LED. So that will be turned on when we will do the double clap over here. Okay, so this is what I have shown you during the experiment. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, so after double clap we can able to see that LED is turned on, and on a single clap the LED will be turned off. So you can also do the same. Have a nice day.